In this problem, I need to reverse the words in a string S. I know that a word is a sequence of non-space characters separated by at least one space. The goal is to return a string where the words are in reverse order, concatenated by a single space. Additionally, the output shouldn't include any leading, trailing, or extra spaces between words. To solve this problem step by step, I first initialize the variables, then I separate each word, and then add them to result in reverse order. First, I initialize my variables. I declared an array of words to hold the words from the string S. I use string stream to extract the words from S, making it easy to handle words in a string. String stream is part of the S-stream library and can extract or insert data from strings. The temporary variable word stores each word, and the result will store the final output. Next, I extract each word. After initialization, I extract each word from the string stream, which removes extra spaces. The while loop reads each word from new string, the string stream object, and adds it to the words array, removing extra spaces between words and at the ends. The loop condition reads data until a space or the end of the string is encountered. This operation reads data from new string until a delimiter is encountered, usually a whitespace or a new line. The default delimiter for this operator is space, so each call will read up to the next space or the end of the string. For example, if S is hello world with whitespaces at the beginning and end, the words array becomes hello world with the separated words. Finally, I construct a result string with words in reverse order. Using the pushback function from the vector library, I add each word to the end of the words array. Then I traverse the array from the end to the beginning, adding each word to result. I add a space between words except after the last word. This is done using if decision structure. If the variable I hasn't reached the end of the string, in each iteration of the for loop, add a space. This means that a space will be added after each word that was placed in result. When I reaches 0, so it reaches the end of the words array, this conditional instruction is no longer executed, so no blank space is added at the end of the resulting string returned in result. To summarize, I discussed reversing the order of words in a string, handling extra spaces efficiently. Using string stream to extract words and storing them in another string allows for effective reversal, removing extra spaces, and forming the correct final result. This method is simple, efficient, and easy to understand for solving similar problems. And now, let's run the code to ensure that everything works properly before I submit.